Yo brolies, what's up? So in this quick video, I just want to give you guys a quick microphone test between three gaming headsets from Fantech. We have the Fantech Iris HG19, Fantech HG23 Octane 7.1 gaming headset, and of course the Fantech HG21. And for this particular video, I'm going to give away the Fantech Iris HG19 gaming headset, and for the mechanics, I'll put it on the end of the video. With that being said, let's get into it. Hi guys, this is Marvin from techbureau.com, and this is a microphone test for the Fantech HG21 gaming headset. So this is the one that I'm going to give away tonight on our Facebook live stream. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the quality of the microphone of this gaming headset. This is a omnidirectional microphone with a flexible boom arm or boom mic here. Mic test. So this is a microphone test with noise suppression filter in OBS. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just to give you guys an idea kung ano yung pwedeng maging sound nyo kung gagamit kayo ng OBS using this gaming headset. So hi guys, this is Marvin from techbureau.com, and this is a microphone test for the Fantech Octane HG23. Again, this is a microphone test for the Fantech Octane HG23 without any filter in Streamlabs OBS with the plus 12 decibels gain. Right now, I'm going to enable the noise suppression in Streamlabs OBS. There you go. So this is a microphone test with the Fantech Octane HG23 with noise suppression filter enabled in Streamlabs OBS. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, this is Marvin from techbureau.com, and this is a microphone test for the Fantech HG19 gaming headset with minus 12 decibels gain in Streamlabs OBS. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to enable the noise suppression in Streamlabs OBS so that you can have an idea how it sounds with the RN noise suppression. Microphone test. So this is a microphone test for the Fantech HG19 with noise suppression enabled in Streamlabs OBS. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. And there you have it guys. Let me know in the comments below which gaming headset is the best in terms of the microphone quality. If you want to watch the full live stream video, I uploaded it on our second Pinoy Tech Video channel. However, it is in our native Filipino language. So for the mechanics for our giveaway, all you have to do is of course like and share this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below which among the three headsets has the best microphone quality with a hashtag Fantech Philippines. And for the other important details about the mechanics, check the link below. So yeah, I think that's about it. Like I said, this is just a quick video just to give you guys an idea about the microphone quality of the three gaming headsets that we featured today. And of course, as part of our 50,000 subscribers milestone here on YouTube, I want to give something back to you guys, which is the Fantech Iris HG19. So thank you very much, Fantech, for sponsoring this part of our giveaway.